I'm done. Okay.
Oh, good job.
The tree broke. Purr. Right, and those go right next to that one.
And then this
Okay.
is
And then we get this one. Good tree. Okay. This one I go here. This one is gonna hang over the end. What?
Put it in the wrong place again.
Oh, the picture, sorry. Seriously. Okay, this one goes here. Why is this not working? Okay. Did you put the cat down where she belongs? Okay. Why is this one all weird?
Oh, it goes over. Because it goes upside down. It's like right there. Upside down. And then the dark one. Right there, upside down. This one needs to move over one. Because see, it's even. And those are touching.
Cat, if you jump up on this chair, this one's not gonna be good for you. Okay, 2 green.
Are they the light ones or the dark ones? I think they're the light ones. Do you want to clap it together?
Sure.
Technical difficulties.
I just wanted to zoom in on. Helicopter noises.
This is a car.
Wait, car noises.
Is that you?
Use your
What
Facebook.
are you? Just kidding. No. What? I didn't think you heard me.
Are you gonna get married?
No, she won't. Here, watch. Kitty, come here. Kitty. Oh, fine.
She said no. Bye.
I want you anyways. Ow.
Can we flip? So it knows that this side.
Okay.
I mean, either way, you could have just kept it the same.
No, Maddie wanted it flipped.
Well, no, it says the flip, see?
Maddie wanted it. You're gonna spill your Coke. Why is this not filled? Oh, I grabbed the wrong piece. That's why it's not working.
Good job.
What? What are you laughing at me for?
Nothing.
Because Maddie's better at this than I am?
You said it, not me. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Never nice. Do you mind? I'm trying to put a piece in here. Cat, what do you want?
Where is she?
She was like rubbing against my foot. And then don't. Yeah, man.
Oh, you need this thingy?
This one. Right here.
You're skipping a page.
I don't want to skip a page. Okay. Oh, where's the diamond? I have the diamond.
Do you want to put the diamond in?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, good job.
Take your flower that's shaving. Put on there. Okay. She's gonna bite your face off.
You need that one.
Oh, it said to turn it over. Did you want to turn it over? Where's the? I need more of these. Where'd they go?
Is it under the book?
See, we need another one of those.
What are you looking for?
One of these thingies, those like gross looking brown ones. Did it fall?
Right, we need another one. I'm not just like good soup, maybe. Does the cat take them? Probably. Okay. Wow. Don't know how to count your stuff. Mail. Okay.
What's under the book?
We do need that. So confused. Yeah, see we have one here and here. That when we get to the arch, we just connect it. We don't have that.
What does it look like?
It's like this one right here. It's like that one.
Which one?
This one. Missing. Gone. Not like that. No, this
This is brown, right?
Yeah. Because we have the last gray one that we need, but not the last one. Unless it's.
Yours are just, wait. Because this one doesn't show ones down here. It just shows a
Wait,
gray
what?
piece.
What's this flip?
Wait, watch, no, look. Because look at this one. So one of them is supposed to just have a gray piece. So one of them's not supposed to have them.
Yeah, but when you go to this one, you need both of them for it to.
Yeah, so take these off. Take these ones off. Where's
the
that?
gray piece?
Yeah, and then put the gray piece.
We have them.
You did just have that. I know you did. I saw you have it. It was like the little one with the two, right?
Yep.
The same pieces.
What the heck? I just had it. It looks just like that. And
What are you looking for?
right here. But see, it's still not going to be level when you put this on.
Yeah, because then,
There.
because then you put those on.
Oh, oh,
Because you only put this on top of one.
yeah.
You have to switch them. And this one has to be turned on.
Which?
Because usually things are connecting to them. And then you have to turn that brown one on.
It didn't tell me to. Like this way?
Yeah. And then that one's facing towards me. And then put this one on top.
And does this go on the outside? Okay. Wow, that was
Okay.
a big predicament.
Okay, and then
This one, and then a brown sign there.
another brown cylinder.
Okay, where did they go?
Do you need this one too?
I got to snort out. Okay. These two connect. We need a green thing here. wood piece, yeah. Where does it go? Oh,
It's supposed to go slanted, but whatever.
that don't want slanted. Page 49. Here we go.
It's page 52. Step 49. I mean, it's page 49. Yep, that's what it is. Look at this.
One gray, one green. Where did it go?
Up here.
Oh, they never show that. Yeah, they do. Shush. Ow. Yes, I did just hurt myself. I don't like it.
Good job.
Oh, it's magnetic. That's how it's slanted.
It's magnetic.
Yeah. Ding. Wait, it was just a second ago. Like
It
seriously,
was
it
connected
just
to
moving.
that.
Oh my god. I feel so stupid.
We need the cherries. Where do the cherries go? Oh, they go
Cherry.
down here on the clip.
My cherry clip. I got my
How
cherry
do they
clip
go in?
on. Just no.
The little cylinder.
No,
thing
do you
goes in
see this
between.
little cylinder?
Yeah, it goes
Yeah,
in there.
I was trying to do that.
Oh.
You don't think I was?
Yes, I did think you were.
Okay, why would you have a cherry sticking out like that?
Because the bear gets trapped over there. I think. I don't know.
The bear?
Yeah, the little bears.
This
I
is
know, it's a
Rainforest
cute little
Rescue.
bear.
I don't think they'd be trapping bears.
They aren't trapping bears. They're collecting or saving him because he got trapped over there.
Whatever.
So they're gonna cross the broken bridge, but they have to fix it first.
They have to cross the broken bridge.
Yeah. Whatever.
Look at how cute. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, it has to go back then.
Has to go on it to connect it.
There has to be a thingy here. We skipped
What
it right there.
And
Little
tell me I
wonky
need
slanted
one.
pressing. Page 53.
56. Oh, big leaf thing.
Yeah, that's like the bendy connects there.
Look
That
how-
doesn't seem complicated at all.
Look how pretty that is. Not really. Where's the other leaf thing go?
I think it's just an extra.
You're just kidding. Where does it go?
You have to like take all this off and turn that around because this thing's supposed to hang right there.
You told me that it was supposed to turn out. And that's where I had it before.
Blame it all on me.
I know. I'm just gonna take this.
I'm sorry. You can put the leaf on.
Oh, thanks. I
You're
feel
welcome.
special.
Oh, we get it to the bridge now.
Oh my god. How many steps are to this thing?
We're almost done. See, look how small it is. Oh no, right now it's actually kind of big.
That's a big bridge. Okay,
So-
okay, wait. Where does it go?
Wait. Oh no, right here. There's some there.
Okay,
Oh, here.
bridge time.
Yep. So we need this thingy and this thingy.
Shush.
Kitty. Meow. You just meow at your time.
Yeah.
It's okay, I bark at my dog, so.
Oh, wow, okay. Okay, claw.
Ron's work, Hannah. There's one.
Okay, well I got this little piece for the end, whatever it is. This part.
Did you get the smoothie thingy one? You need a smoothie thingy.
What's smoothie thingy?
A smoothie thingy. A smoothie thingy.
Not the smoothie thingy.
It's like the most important thing to learn.
I didn't build that part. I built this part. There's no smoothie thingy.
Well, the next step is the smoothie thingy. See? Wait, what? I'm so confused right now.
You connect it to the part that you're building. This part.
You have to do more of these, I'm pretty sure. Skipping ahead.
Smoothie thingy? Not smoothie.
Well then.
You're looking at
Oh, look at this. Oh, it's a scene. Oh.
the bridge, not a seat.
No.
Did you just step on my cat?
No.
It's okay if you did.
It was my shoe. What now?
Okay.
You have to like make it reach all the way across.
No way. Now we had to reach a bridge across. Okay. Well, this joins here, obviously. So, we just need one more. Why aren't all these smooth thingies? Like all of them should be smooth. Like, the bridge should be bumpy.
Maybe the bridge wanted to be
In the
bumpy.
jungle.
If you can't tell, I get sidetracked easily.
The lion sleeps at night. Meow.
Look, we have to connect. Jumping ahead here, Hannah.
Because I'm an overachiever.
Oh, wait, we need one of these thingies because it has to go in the water with the fishy. I'm kidding, you don't have to. You don't want to.
At an angle? Just sits there?
Yeah, it just sits there. And here's your fishy. Wait, there's supposed to be blue thingies over there. This one. See, you see them?
Yeah, I have some right here.
Yeah, but they're supposed to be over here too. See?
And just random?
You can. See, we're almost done here. Where's the bear?
Bear's on there already.
He's supposed to go on the bridge because he's looking at fish. Oh look, we're done.
Wait, why do we have so many extra pieces?
In case you lose them.
In case you
There you go.
And we're done. How long did that take us?
And watch, we can do this thing. We'll do it like it's on the cover. Why aren't you lucky? Emma, how did you put it on there?
Because I'm special.
Oh no, the bridge broke. Oops. No, because they're supposed to be helping. See?
How did I get this on?
He helps. He's like, oh, we gotta fix the bridge. She's like, on my way.
How did you break? Why did you break this? How did you do this? This poor bear.
Oh, poor bear.
The cat.
Stop!
Okay, there. It's on.
And then,
Crap. Save the bear.
Save the bear, little berry. Yes, I'm calling to the bear. Stop. The bear's fat.
Fat bear.
Is it like a koala bear, or what does it say?
Bear's dead.
Oh,
You're a
crap.
bad search and rescue team.
What are you talking about? Amazing. Oh, he needs shots.
You already killed him. Why is he in shots?
Because it came out. I don't know. He needs shots.
She's crazy.
See, look, he's dead. He can bring him back
I
to
ran over him. How do you get over a bear? Oh, his legs bend, so you can drive.
Who? Oh, yeah, his legs do bend.
The bear.
Oh, look, I figured out how to put him on here.
He's dead. We've already clarified this.
I brought him back to life with my magical powers.
He's on the place for his walkie-talkie. Oh, he's gonna chill out on the tree. Oh no. Oh no.
Are you still rolling?
You caught on camera that I said I rolled over a bear. I didn't think I'm an animal.
Well, it's not my fault I dropped him, it's the claw's fault, okay?
Those are all nice.
I didn't double knot it, that's the only thing. Because if I double knotted it, then it would have been...
Double nine. You should have fixed.
Don't fall this time. Oh look, the bear swam back home. He's alive again.
Zombie bear.
What if he was on the bridge and
Car came over here.
then... and then... For the joke up, he died.
Oh, look.
I mean, oh no, we have to save him. What? You ruined it. Oh, thank you for that.
Many rooms.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It's still filming. I gotta fix the bridge.
Okay, you fix it. And I bring it like this.
Did the
Hold
bear
on,
want some
bear.
fish?
Oh, we brought him back there. Oh look, he's holding on. Okay, we're gonna.